Hi guys, welcome to a 10-minute flexibility cool down relaxation stretch routine. This routine you can do when you wake up in the morning, but more than likely after you finish a tough workout. We're going to be aligning our breath with our movement. Every time we complete an exercise, we exhale, and as we go into begin the movement, we're going to inhale. We're going to work on releasing added pressure and unwanted tension from the body and for muscles. Mobility is key to any strength routine. No matter if your goal is to gain on the muscle or if your goal is to shred that unwanted fat, mobility is so imperative in order for your body to maintain its health and strength. If this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Joy and I will be your instructor today. Don't worry, all you need is your yoga mat and the workout begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright you guys, our first movement will be downward dog to upward dog. This is called Indian push-ups. And as we come to upward dog, I want you to inhale. As we go into downward facing dog, tuck those abs in and exhale. And if you want to pedal your feet in downward dog, go ahead. We're going to inhale and exhale. Slow and controlled. And pedal your feet. Our next movement is going to be a pigeon pose. So we'll go ahead and take our right leg and we'll place it in between our palms. We'll go ahead and lay our forehead on the mat. We'll come up, inhale, and then we'll rotate our legs. We'll place our forehead on the mat. We'll come up and inhale. And exhale. Place our leg in between our palms. We'll fully extend both arms above us. Make sure our forehead touches the mat. And then we'll rotate legs. Place our knee in between our palms. Fully extend both arms in front of us. Place our forehead on the mat. Hold this position. Right, we're going to go into a full downward facing dog. You can go ahead and pedal your feet if you can't get both heels on the mat. We're going to come down, place our knees on the mat, go into an extended child pose position. We're going to stretch our shoulders here, so we're going to take our left arm and we're going to tuck it under the opposite arm, which is fully extended, and we're going to place our ear on the mat. So now we're going to fully extend our left arm, take our right arm underneath us, and place our ear on the mat. We're going to do the very next movement. We're going to come into a lunge and we're going to extend both arms into a half warrior pose. And we're going to breathe here, exhale and inhale. We're going to take our right arm and we're going to have it on the mat and then extend our left arm above us. Come back into the warrior pose and then do the same thing on the opposite side. So we'll bring our knee into a half lunge. We'll go ahead and have our warrior pose. We'll take our left palm,
We'll place it by our foot, and then we'll fully extend our right arm above us and bring it back down. All right, we're going to do a stretch with sitting in Down Dawson. We're going to have both legs fully extended in front of us, and we're going to gently pull ourselves as far as we can. Our goal is to touch our toes, but if you can just touch your ankles, that's great. We can create a clamp, and with our pointer finger and our middle finger, clamp our big toe. And we can pull ourselves down as far as we can there. We can rotate and move our legs to help our mobility stretch a little further. We can gently bring our elbows down to our knees, and then we can fully bring both elbows to our knees. Make sure we inhale. Now we're going to go all the way to our heels. And do your best to get your head touching your knees. Please be sure to breathe during these positions. If you don't hear me breathe, guys, still do your best to breathe with me. I'm going to stretch here a little bit and twist to the left side and then twist to our right side. Now we're going to go into a movement I'd like to do to prepare me for lotus pose or lotus position. It's really good for hip mobility. We're going to have our right leg extended out in front of us. Our left leg, we're going to bring that foot in towards our core, and that opposite knee there that is bent, we're going to press that knee down to our mat. Several times, we're going to hold it on the ground just to create a lot more mobility in our hip. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side, so gently push your knee down as it is bent to prepare you for a lotus position. Then we're going to do some butterflies. This creates even more of a stretch in your hip area. Alright, we're going to go down to extended child pose with our left arm fully extended in front of us. Our right arm is tucked under. Then we're going to bend our elbow and fully turn to the right side. And then we'll have our right arm fully extended, our left arm tucked under. Our elbow fully turned to the left side. Then cat and cow. And again, our left arm fully extended and our right arm tucked under us, and then turn fully to the right side. We'll have our right arm extended, our left arm tucked under and pulled out, and then turn fully to the right side. And then now we're going to go into cat and cow. And then we'll do the same extension. We'll have one of our arms extended, one tucked under, then pull that right arm, fully extend the arm this time. Then do the opposite side. Our right arm is extended in front of us, our left arm is tucked under. Then we're going to come and pull ourselves fully extended to the left side. And then go into a full extended child pose, and that will end this mobility stretch routine. Breathe and relax in child's pose and let your body heal on its own. Pray you guys have a beautiful week ahead of you. Thank you for staying with me this long if you have. Again, have a wonderful day, and I'd love to see you on another video. But for now, goodbye.